I am so obsessed with all the looks from Girls' Generation's music video. This is so hard to pick a look. Oh my gosh. Okay, which one should I do? Okay. Let's do Hyoyeon. And this is the look I selected from the music video. Let's get started. I wanted my hair to be crimped, but I forgot about it, so let's just do it now. I think that's enough water. I think that's enough water. So it doesn't have to be a good braid, it just has to be a braid. Oh my gosh, half my hair is like falling out from this braid. How do people braid their own hair? Like what? This is so tiring. My arms are already tired. I am but a simple milkmaid. I always forget to put on contacts, so let's go put on contacts now. Oh my gosh, my eyes, they're like burning because I got some cream into my eyes while I was putting on my contacts. I'm going out to a block party, so I have to put on some sunscreen first. While the sunscreen dries, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Seeing SNSD make a comeback is beyond exciting for me because they were the golden girl group of my time. I definitely looked up to them and 21 the most. I'm just so proud of like how they've all matured. They're so beautiful. It's crazy to think that they're like veterans in the industry since they're only in their early 30s. I got this sample balm from Tower 28 and I'm going to just put that on my eyes because I think it's the same color. It's working really nice below my eyes, but it's not as nice on top. I have the same product but in a different color, but this one is just so much more natural. I feel like I'm gonna end up buying it. Rip wallet. I mean, it's the same color on her cheeks, so might as well just put it here too. I know I said I only need one color for the eye, but I'm gonna add this deeper orange to the look because on camera it's just not showing up as well. Doing a look with cream products is so satisfying. Okay, that's so much better. Actually, I think we can do the same color on the lips too. Hyoyeon is one of my favorite members from SNSD. I think she was one of the first like female idols that was just really into dance. Like aside from Boa, like she was so talented. Like she could have just been a dancer if she wanted to. I'm also doing the double orange on my lip. Let's draw a little Aegyo cell. In the photo, it looks like they lined her eyes with black, but I'm gonna do brown because I don't know, I like brown more. So it looks like they did a very narrow wing. There was one time in high school when someone told me that I looked like Yuna, and I don't think I've ever felt more confident than in that moment. I'm like, little old me. Eyelash time. Banana break. I got too hungry. Okay, it's time. It's time for pinchy pinch time. Pinchy pinch time needs a lot of concentration. Okay, after pinchy pinch time, I realized that I don't have any more fake bottom lashes, so I need to do more pinchy pinch time below as well. My gems are a little bit too big for this look, so I'm going to use this e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow. Wait, what is it called? I'm going to use this e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow, this one right here. I'm just going to make like little clusters and pray that it stays on. Okay, I'm going to draw where I'm going to put them with this little pencil. Okay, here we go. This sort of looks like studded tights, but for your face. This is a fabulous mole. I hope I get to do more looks from this music video. It was just so nice to see all of them back together. Also just seeing them understand and know who they are at that point. And maybe we should just have more idol groups that are older. Okay, let's tackle the hair. Here's a reminder of what it looks like. It was hard to tell from the picture what was going on. I think there's like 2 ponytails, like one here and one here on either side, so 4. They started off with grabbing like a piece of hair this way and then they put a hairband like right here. Okay, everyone who knows me knows I'm terrible at doing hair. So if I can do it, could probably do this hairstyle too. The hard part is getting the second side to look like the first side. Did I twist it? I don't think I twisted the other side, but it looks twisted, so I'm gonna twist it. Okay, and then I think they took like some hair from the back like this. I think I can get away with brown hair bands. Let's see. Honestly, it's not the worst. Okay. And now I'm gonna fix up some of the waves with the straightener. So I fixed it with a straightener and this is what it looks like. It looks like it would be great for a festival, but I don't really go to festivals. But anyways, I could look like I was going to a festival, you know what I mean? What do we think about the look? Let me know in the comments!